So every shop you go into these days, well, not every shop, but heaps of shops these days have membership cards, don't they? You go to buy something and they're like, do you have your membership card? And you end up with a purse full of cards. So I recently found an app that gets rid of all of these out of your purse. And I'm going to show you how it works today. Hi, I'm Naren Chappell from Positively Sorted, and this video today isn't super business or office or productivity related, but I found this app recently and it's really cool. It is super easy to use and my purse is now clutter free. It's easy to find what I need. So the app is called Stocard, S-T-O-C-A-R-D, and I'm going to give you a quick demo of how it works. Okay, so this is the first time I've used this screen recording app, so let's see how we go. This is Stocard here, and I'll go into it. And so as you can see, there are a few cards there already that I've scanned in. And to add a new one, it's as simple as this little plus sign up in the top right hand corner. And there's a heap of companies there listed already. The one I'm going to add is Amcal. And as you can see, it comes up with to scan it straight away. And as soon as, this is going to happen really quick, okay? So I'll turn this over. So it's done. So that's scanned it in, it's ready to go. One of the things I'll show you on, looks like they're actually linked up to the database. So if I show you, this is my Qantas frequent flyer one, the whole barcode number is this big long number, but see the second number under it, that's my actual frequent flyer number, membership number. And it has a link here to take you to show your actual points balance, where you can log in and go straight to your account, which I think is pretty cool. So then when you go into a shop, and I've already used my Woolworths one a couple of times, you can just scan the barcode and hold your phone up to the scanner and scan it straight from there. And it works. So no more bulging purses full of cards and having to dig around and find the one you need. So what do you reckon? Are you going to give it a try? Or have you seen another app that's even better, which does a similar sort of thing? Let me know in the comments. Or if you've seen another app that saves time and makes life easier that you use fairly regularly, let me know. I'd love to share it with others. Cool. I'll see you soon.